Some people think that preparation happens before the storm. What actually matters is what you do in between the storms. We had a pretty major winter storm roll through a few days ago. And after the storm, I always walk the property, not really to fix anything, but to see what changed. Storms don't usually break things, they loosen them. So I'm out here checking fences, checking water, checking fencing. I'm not really looking for anything in particular, but kind of how the donkeys move through it. What's changed? What's different? Because you never know what you're gonna find. Don't. Tree down, tree down.
All right, onward. Try to keep up. I kind of screwed up, so this is a little voiceover. Somehow the audio didn't come through. If you kind of notice, I got a new toy for Christmas. This is a drone, and it just follows me. Don't understand how it works, but it seems to work pretty darn good. So this little crop circle behind me, donkeys and mules love to roll, and they don't care if it's dry and dusty or a complete mud pit. And this video really doesn't show it, but the pasture is soaked. So it is what it is. They'll clean up eventually. Well, let's continue on. Yeah, this kind of shows it a little closer. It's completely muddy and they love it. Oh well. Well, let's keep looking. I just kind of walk around after every storm, take a look at it. If you notice, the donkeys aren't impressed with this little contraption. They are getting used to it though. Did it a few times. The first time they pretty much turned into cheetahs. Now they're just staying a little further away. When it floats, Rebel will come up and sniff it. So that's that part, and we'll see in a minute.
So this part, the part where I don't react immediately, took me a while to learn. I used to think that being prepared was always more reacting, more fixing, more doing, more worried about what could go wrong. It turns out it's more about observing what's changed, what's shifted, before it turns into something bigger. The storm, it already did what it's gonna do. This walk just tells me what I need to pay attention to next. Like giving these guys some more treats, apparently. Storms in life and weather, they're gonna come whether you're ready for them to come or not. I think the difference is whether you slow down after the storm to see what changed and how you need to react in the future. That is where real preparation happens. Not in the storm, not in the noise, but in the quiet before the next storm happens. If we haven't met, I'm Dave. Welcome to Ask Drury. I hope you like this content. If there's something you want to see in particular, drop me a comment. You want to see more pack trips, more day rides, training the animals, training me so I can train the animals, or the Pack Saddle Basic series that I started, teaching you some of the ways to pack, or just plain old trail rides. It's gonna be a little bit before I get to go on another long ride, at least an out-of-town ride, because can't really tell it from the clouds right now, but we're getting ready to hit with about 2 weeks straight of some pretty heavy rain. And old Ginger here, she wants nothing to do with me. How about old Rebel here? He's ready to go. But riding in the rain, not so fun. So stay tuned. We have some pretty good pack trips coming up. Where I live, I can go to the ocean, I can go to the mountains. I live in the foothills of the Sierra Nevadas. I'm planning on doing a trip through Ishi country. It's a little bit north of us. Pretty spectacular story if you've never heard it, or at least how they lived, maybe not the later years. If you're enjoying this content, it'd be awesome if you'd give me a subscribe, give me a comment, tell me what you want to see. Keep your loads tight and your coffee hot, and we will see you next time.